Hey, if your WhatsApp says waiting for this message, let's say your friends gave you something over WhatsApp and you got these issues where it's only showed you this, waiting for this message. Well, don't worry. Just watch this video to solve your problem and see what your friend gave you. Now you can solve these issues and can see the message. Now to solve these issues you need to first tap on the three dots here. Tap Setting. Tap Chat. Scroll down. Now tap Chat Backup. Tap on Backup. Make sure your Google account is connected. Once you're done, now open up Play Store. Look for WhatsApp. Now tap Uninstall. Now tap Install. Now tap Open. Tap Agree and Continue. Enter your phone number. Tap Allows. Now once it shows you looking for backup, now tap Restore. Once the process is done, now set your name. Now wait a bit. Go back to your conversation. Here is the message. This is how you can solve the problem. If you still have anything to ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.